How to redeem promo code in Sephora. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can obtain different promo codes. First of all, open the website name sephora.com. So now this interface will pop up. Here on the bottom, you'll be able to see this offers option. Simply tap on offers. So here, you'll be able to find different promo codes and redeem it. Here, you must add different items to the basket and you can even get different codes. Here, swipe right and you'll be able to see different promo codes. Now here on the bottom, simply tap on this apply button. So this will take you to a different site. Here, you can add this product and later you will be even able to accumulate different promo codes while buying them. So here, as you can see, promotion code has been redeemed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.